Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your circus businesses. For example, you are the organizer of circus event and you want to share the details regarding the ticket booking, location of the circus as well as the contactual support details. Sending each and every customer manually is a time-consuming task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your customer send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your circus businesses, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your customer instantly. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of Circus, here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hi there, welcome to the magical world of Pabbly Circus. How can I help you? While providing me 3 different options such as ticket booking, location and support. If I'll click on location, then it will provide me the location details of Pabbly Circus. If I'll click on ticket booking, then it will show me all the details regarding the ticket booking while providing me one link below. With the help of this link, I'll go to the official page of this Pabbly Circus. So basically this is how our chatbot will work and this is how this bot will respond to your customer instantly and solve their queries. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for our different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so we will go on the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can see your credit allotted, your credit consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. While clicking on this, it will provide you 2 options. The one is WhatsApp Connect and the second is Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you will click on this, then it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developers. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we will create a separate video for this. I provide the link of that video in the description box. Here you can also create multiple folders. In this section, you can see the active and the inactive status of your WhatsApp number added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond them here also. You don't have to open a WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contacts, in which you can list of your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your chatbots or messages. And you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used to send bulk messages to many users at once. It is in using approved template. It is useful for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow. This is where you build your chatbot using a visual flow builder. It is also used for creating conversation path, capture data, offer product, browsing, etc. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in which you can train your AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer questions or solve problems. Here we will also provide one video of how to use AI assistant. The ninth one is the settings, where you can manage your accounts, team members, integration, API keys, etc. The 10th one is the get help, in where you can tell us about your problem and we will find you a solution. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, it will create it with the help of Pabbly Flow Builder. So I'll click on the flow. Here you can see this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses with the help of Flow Builder. Here you can also see the total number of flows you are created, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll click on this button plus add flow button. This is the starting point of our flow, but before this, first you have to give to the name to your flow that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our Circus businesses, so here I am providing a name. Here I write it. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options. One is messages and the another is action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use this button in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active and inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button you can update your flow. Let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keyword, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my customer sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. The third one is the choose template, in which you can create multiple type of template and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex, so here I am entering the regex. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to any message of your customer that was sent to your WhatsApp business account. Here I am writing one welcome message for my customer. For this, I'll click on this media button. It will provide me one message box where I can select media type as image and upload one image of my circus because it sounds impactful and interesting for my customer by clicking on this button and upload it from my gallery. Here I uploaded. Now I want to write one welcome message for my customer. For this, here I am adding one another message box by clicking on this plus add content. Select content type is text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write the welcome message for my customer. Here you can also add caption if you want to. Now I am writing a welcome message. Here I write it. This message will be delivered to my customer WhatsApp account with this image, so it is more interesting for them. Here at the end of this message, I'll ask one question to my customer: how can I help you? For answering this, I'll provide some buttons to my customer by clicking on this plus add button. The first button I'll take is ticket booking. The second button I'll take is location. And the third button I'll take is support. Now I'll connect the starting point of my flow to the welcome message which I wrote for my customer by clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. See, it is connected. After that, when my customer wants to book a ticket in my circus, then they will click on this button. For this, my bot will respond to them. Here I am adding one another text button. Drag this message box here and entering the ticket booking details in my circus. Here I write it. See, welcome to the Pabbly Circus. Now book your show tickets instantly on WhatsApp. Here you can see I write welcome to the Pabbly Circus in the asterisk sign. This symbol is used for sending a bold format message to your customer. Now I'll connect the circle which are present in front of ticket booking to the circle where I wrote the details. Here I also mention one link. Click here link to book the ticket. In the next step, when my customer wants to know about the location of my circus, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one another text button. Drag this message box here and entering the location of my circus. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of location to the message where I wrote the details. Now the third one is the support. If my customer wants to know about the contactual details of my circus, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one another text button, drag this message box here and writing the contactual details of my circus. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of support to the message where I wrote the contactual details of my circus. Our flow is completed. After the completion of our flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated successfully. Now I'll show you how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your customer by sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of Circus. Here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hi there, welcome to the magical world of Pabbly Circus. How can I help you? While providing me 3 different options such as ticket booking, location and support that we were written here. See, ticket booking, location, support. Now, if I'll click on this button, ticket booking, then it will respond me like this. Welcome to Pabbly Circus. Now book your show tickets instantly on WhatsApp while providing me one official link of Pabbly Circus so that I'll book ticket by going on their platform. If I'll click on support, then this bot will provide me the contextual details of this circus. So basically this is how our chatbot will work and this is how our bot will respond to our customer. This bot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.